Hello guys and welcome back to the weekly review. We are looking at US30, and we can see at the start of the week this is an upward trend line and we're at the top, so we're now looking to come back down, but the market did break above it, give us that retesting signaling that we are going up. And when the market touched here, we can see now a rising wedge forming, which is a continuation pattern, right? That rising wedge. So now we're looking for what we also saw right here was this double top formation, which confirmed our first buy sell entry, and then upon that sell entry we entered in that sell entry. It gave us that retest, giving us a third touch, but then hit our take profit target. But with the sell entry we were a bit skeptical. That's why we didn't go long onto this area, because we're now looking at this when this rising sell entry we entered, we are now seeing that a ascending triangle was forming. When the ascending triangle is continuation pattern, so now we are looking at the market shooting up. And then when we did hit our take profit target, we entered early into that buy trend, right? And it did go up, came back down for a retest, and gave us that continuation or symmetric triangle, which is a continuation pattern. And then upon breakout of that continuation pattern, we did take that buy entry towards the upside, right? And then now the market did come down, gave us the first touch, and then gave us a second touch, which confirmed our double bottom, which is the reversal pattern. And one could have entered right here and then took a buy until looking at this area as our first target, looking at that as our second target. And now the market is broken through our overall weekly target, and it's a Friday. The market is nearly about to close, although the US session is just open. But yeah, could expect the market closing within these areas for the week. But yeah, that's gonna be it for US 130. Looking at Germany, at the start of the week, we can see at the start of the week we were coming back now, creating higher highs and higher lows, showing that strong uptrend, right? Creating higher highs and higher. We came back down this area, gave us a retest. Now what we're creating higher highs and higher lows again, signaling an uptrend, right? But what we also saw here, right here, we saw a small reversal triangle, a correction if you may. And the market did come here. When it came a shot down here, gave us that. We saw that now what we have here is a descending triangle. We had a descending triangle, and so had the market closed above below here, we were gonna take our sell entry. But when the market broke above here, we took our buy entry, which you can still see we are still in the trade. It has not yet hit our overall target, because of course this was our first target and this was our second target, so those have been hit, but our overall target hasn't been hit. But we are close to hitting it, and I do believe it will be hit. But this is where we are gonna end it with German 40, and we might close with the market at the market close. It might be just above this area, above the 3,290.6 pips area. But yeah, that's gonna be it for Germany. Looking at gold, and you can see at the start of the week we're upon that area right there. We're in the resistance area, so we're now looking for sell entries. It did come back down, gave us that double bottom formation right now. We are ignoring those ones because we are still looking at when he gave us that double bottom formation. Now we are now looking for it, because the double bottom is a form of reversal. We are now looking for buy entries at this area, right? Could have taken your entry and taken your take profit target right here, and then the market did come down, shoot back down, gave us that for now we are now looking, see, upon that retest we are looking for sell entries. But you can see the market did shoot back down again, above, not down, shoot back up, came back for that correction, and then gave us another impulsive move to the upside, right? So to show the correction and the impulsive move to the downside, and we're in a corrective phase right there, or a downward trend channel, right? The market did come back again to retest that area, it shot back down again. We're now at here, we're looking for buy interest because we're at that low area, but the market did shoot back down, and that's where we're gonna be closing for the week. With US 100 at the start of the week, we saw that we are at the bottom, right? We now not at the bottom, but we're looking at that head and shoulder pattern right there. You can go look at the weekly forecast to see that analysis. But now we are looking to take our buy, obviously looking at this area as our, because that's the gap between here. overall target. It did, the market did to the up again, gave us that retest that and hit our first target, and then from our first target we can see also that we had this double top formation right there, which also it's also a reversal. But you can see that within this area right here, if I do zoom in, within this area right here we had it was a strong support area, so the market did come back close up, but gave us a retest, and upon this retest we could have taken our sell entry, looking at this as our overall target. But yeah, now at the close of the week the market is looking to rebound, so we might close here at market close. But yeah, that's gonna be it for US100 and the weekly review. Hope you like, share, comment, subscribe. Let's go together, let's learn together. Yeah, peace.